Wait, I think we have been here before.
Eh?
Yeah, I can remember this.
Hindi ko na mahulog.
I remember this island, huh?
I'm getting the luggage games and the
Dalawang luggage daw. I'm gonna get those.
There's
Oh, bandage.
two. There's two luggage on the ground.
Oh, nga, no?
Oh, may isa pa, no?
Oh, this
May
is
isa pang rope cannon. There's another rope cannon.
rope cannon?
Yeah. I think you know.
I
You
can
have to
take it
hold-
if you want.
Yeah, you can take this. Para tig dalawa tayo.
Sige.
See? I told you, this is familiar. We have been here.
Climbing na. We have been here. I remember this thing.
Yeah.
I remember that damn luggage with the jellyfish.
I think I remember we have went somewhere here. I remember this bridge.
Yeah.
Oh god! No! No! Oh,
Whoa,
What was
crazy.
that?
Crazy, bro.
no, bro!
Crazy. Oh, no.
Oh,
Don't worry. I didn't die. I didn't die, bro. Don't die.
Guys, why not go this way na lang?
Yeah, you can go there now. Just follow Ashley.
We have went somewhere.
I don't trust Bridget. I don't trust Bridget.
Don't worry. Okay, maybe try this.
I can go there.
We can try that. We're just going blind.
Or here. Wait for behind you.
Oh,
May hole dito. I trust holes.
another cave diving.
Unless this leads nowhere. Let me see.
The only thing I can see is this hanggang dito, pero that's a jump. There's gotta be a far jump though.
Is it like a really far jump? What if?
May plan A, may plan B.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you good? You
I have
good?
a med kit, gang. I have a med. No, I'm dead, but I have a med kit on me.
Oh, eh? You're dead?
Yep. Did I go
Diba?
far?
Is that
Kapit ka.
Okay. Wait. Saan? Are you? Oh, okay. On the
I
right.
have a med kit on me. Very convenient.
Don't worry. This, but a scratch. Okay. Good. Okay, you good? Nice.
Yes, thank you, gang. Oh no, this might use up extra stamina.
All right. It is.
Oh no.
Oh, it is.
Oh no.
Oops.
Oh shit.
Okay, I'm
Did we
falling.
mess up?
I think it's low key. No, wait. Okay. Oh, may standing dito. But I used my.
I used up all of mine.
I used mine too. Okay lang.
Oh
I'm not-
no.
Can you catch me up?
Hey, wait, sorry.
I'm down here. Oh god. Oh god. Oh
Hold
god.
on, hold on,
They
hold on.
reach. Oh, reach. Oh, thanks. Oh good. I must
Oh
find
no,
this.
kapit. Kapit, gang.
Oh, whoa. Let me climb. Oh, I'm falling.
Oh my god, did you-
I'm falling. I
Chat,
died. I died. I died.
you died!
Yeah. I swear, kumapit ako.
I have a bandage. Is it- Oh,
Oh my god. Wait, bakit nabi pa tayo ng...
no, gang, this attempt didn't happen. Ulit. I also recognize this island.
Wait, we have been here?
Yes, this is our second attempt island.
Wait?
Oo,
Oh yeah, I remember this. Ito yung ano,
diba?
you throw some, this is I remember na you throw some item dito sa part na to,
Oh yeah,
and then nawala.
I threw some stuff.
I think that's it. Wait.
Gonna throw it. I'm gonna throw it over there.
Okay. Ooh,
I threw it. What are you throwing?
I think it's a rope. I can't find it. Bro, I think you throw too far. I saw
Yeah.
Yeah. I think there's a small passageway there. Like over
Oh, you're
here.
right. You're right.
Oh, good.
Like a literal small passageway.
Yeah. I think this is the cave we went before, or...
No, iba yan.
Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe doable siya dito. I think doable siya.
I'm gonna force this.
You gonna force it?
Eh, kaya pala siya!
Kaya?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, may luggage pa dito.
Okay, nice.
Energy drink.
Naik.
Stupid ass.
Naik. Ay, energy drink. Kala ko sports drink. Yeah.
Nah, it's an energy drink.
Holy mid of a drink.
Come back, bro.
Oh, I already up here.
Ah, dyan ka na umakyat?
Nasa taas na. Pero ano, let's try finding somewhere midway.
Ito ang hindi ko sure.
Yung sa
Wait,
likod
force
mo.
it.
No, yung
Ito.
likod mo. Yung behind you. Ay, side mo. Oh,
Baka
nice.
ito, oh.
I'll go with this. Yan yung milit.
Ay, pwede din dyan. We can sprint jump this.
Oh, hell no.
Ball!
Oh god. Okay, fine. Wait lang ah. Buwela muna ako. Makatok ko eh. Why? Okay, pick me up. Thanks. Okay, I remember this.
Food, please.
Is it
Another med kit and food.
Oh! Okay.
Sayang yung food.
Marami akong pagkain na.
Ano pagkain na meron ka dyan?
Granola
I'll take
pudding trail
the,
mix.
I'll take this.
Sige. Amukot
Tapos
yung
tago mo
mana.
tong airline food. Tago mo yun. And where?
I remember this place before. I think we went here. Nung before.
Just go here? Dito?
No, this way. I think we will remember we went here. This way. I remember this place
let's go
before.
there. Are you sure?
Yeah, we went here.
Looks kind of...
I swear, ikaw yung nagsimuno
Huwag
na.
na dyan, mas malapit to. Mas safe
Sige,
to.
sige.
I'm
Pero
scared, bro.
Pero I swear, ikaw yung nagpasimuno na nung papunta tayo dyan. Saan taas ka? Wait. I can't see you. Oh, okay. I found you.
There's a rope cannon behind me.
Okay, got it. In the one I hold ng last game, that was anti-rope cannon.
How are you guys?
I think we reached the top. Low key.
Oh damn! Heal me! Reach the statue!
Oh
I
no,
have-
it's gonna use up a bit of energy.
Okay.
Okay, kailangan ko na yung sports drink.
Same. Oh, here, take this.
I'll take it. Thank you.
Pati lang yung stamina ko, pero doable naman yun. Oh yeah, I remember this bridge. I remember this.
I don't
This is-
trust bridges, bro.
No, bro. You're the one who
Sige.
said na we go here before. I will show all the clips, I swear to God.
Kapit ka na.
You have to cross this bridge one by one. Ganda rin ng stamina mo. Wala ka kasi bilip. Halos wala kang bitbit eh.
Let me... Fuck it, we both... Oh damn!
No,
What's
don't
that?
do it!
I did it. I've done it. We got it, gang! Okay.
Gang!
Nice!
Gang!
Oh my god, we're so good. We have played this
Gonna
game
go to
before.
Ay, ito yung luggage.
Sports ring. Oh,
Sports
I'm gonna
drink.
take
I
this.
have a backpack now. You can put some stuff dito.
Nice. Sige. Wait lang ha. Yung statue. Need some special stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Pandora's... Oh hell no, not this. Pandora's lunchbox.
Sometimes it's good.
Ha?
Sometimes it's good. Sayang yun!
Pero that's luck-based, bro. I swear, that's a luck-based.
Is it actually?
Yeah, it is luck-based. Either you get knocked off or you get good stuff. I'm not risking it.
Baka ano siya though, baka okay. Pandora's Lunchbox can remove all kinds of effects on your character and inflict new ones in peak. So yun nga, it is luck-based.
I told you, bro.
Sometimes it can cure you, sometimes it can kill you. Anyway.
Nah, bro, I'm not risking that, bro. I am not pulling up a gambling. Let's go here muna sa the thingy here sa gitna. That's where I got this.
May vines ba? Ah, may vine.
May vine. May pupunta dito.
That way or
Yeah. This way.
that way or dito sa kabilang vine?
Let me check. Kasi nung last time dito ako pumunta pero mahaba nga lang. Mahaba yung way.
Dito na lang.
Oh, wait lang. Let me rest
Bakit we
muna.
go?
Nice. I hate this right now. Nice. You got it. Well, muna ako. I don't wanna know what happens nung last time.
Spam E, spam. Wait, naulan! Oh my god, naulan!
Oh god. Catch me when I fall. Whoa. Nice. Thanks.
Oh my god ka! You climb that vine, naulan.
Bad timing, my bad again.
Hindi pa kinakain yung marshmallow. Do you have like a low-key food na hindi ka nun
Oh.
ka-powerful like airline food?
My bad again. I ate yung trail mix.
Oh no.
My bad.
Sige. I can use the marshmallow naman.
Okay, I remember this. This is where me and Casey fell. This one, yung vine na yan. Because umuulan
Yun na
tapos
yan.
di namin kumapit sa tree. I think dito yung ano yun, may vine dito pababa. Yun nga lang, I don't know where we go down.
Ito, oh.
Should we risk it? Nah, fuck
I
it.
don't know.
Ha!
Guys!
Oh god, I'm goated.
Gang. With my lag,
I think you're cooked if you're lagging. Why
Ayan,
is she my...
Oh shit, man. Oh shit!
You're...
Never mind, gang.
Gang. Do we have bandages? Chat, do we
I
have
don't.
bandages? Bro, we're so cooked. And we failed. Pero that was a shortcut, I swear.
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah, we will try it again. Pero wait, this rain.
Okay.
That was a mistake ng una. We won't repeat it.
Oh my god. Who goes first?
I'll do it. I'll do it first.
Ah, sige.
Ano, para may redemption ako. Redemption sa ginawa ko ng... We need the redemption arc. Okay, got it. YOLO. Ooh! Clutch.
Gang! OP.
Nice, nice. Okay, no, I'll catch you here. Ooh!
Ah!
Oh god! I mean, we have med kit, so don't worry.
I have
We have
a
blood.
bandage. I have a bandage.
Oh, di ka na namatay.
No.
Oh, okay, okay. It's
And I
low
took my
damage na.
bandage, so mas OP siya.
Oh, sige, sige. Oops.
That is not a good shortcut, bro.
My bad, gang. But that's not my fault, too. I swear. Oh, okay, I can descend safely. Another airline fluid. Oh my god, we're
Hell yeah.
buffed. We're buffed.
I don't know where I'm going, gang. I'm just climbing.
Oh, I remember. I think this is where we died. Oh god, yung
MJ died!
Boy!
Ow!
No!
No!
No! No! No!
oh my god! Everyone's dead!
No. We're not gonna go back to that place as much as possible. My bomb done.
Stas?
Like right above you.
Okay. I saw it. Okay, dito sa right way na lang. Maybe that's right. My bad. Nice, nice. And the only way I see is yung dun tayo last time. Yung
Okay.
yung pumunta ka nun. Yung bumalik ka pa sa amin. I think yun yung way nun.
Sige. Parang wala namang bomba.
No, I can still see yung bomb. It was well hidden. Kaya doon tayo namatay eh. It was well hidden. So, I think we're gonna go up here. I think so. Oh! Oh, yan. Dito sa kapit ka lang. Dito lang tayo. Let me, up.
Oh, I remember this. I remember. You used the rope dito and I couldn't climb. I died here.
Is this the part? Here.
I'm not
Here. No, 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 no.
No!
River.
No.
Ay,
Here.
hindi kasi ako tinulungan.
No. Maybe this is the part. If, by the way, yung nahul ka nun, that wasn't my fault. Di ko talaga reach yung kamay mo. I swear. I solemnly swear, di ko abot yung kamay mo.
May standing dyan?
Yeah, may standing. This is how I remember.
Okay.
I remember this place before. Oh,
Oops.
oh my god, I can see the fog. Oh god, I can see the fog.
Okay, we got it. Playful, please reach me.
I'm reaching you,
Oh
bro.
my god. Okay,
Sorry.
thank god.
And I think dito gumamit si Casey ng ng
Python ulit.
cannon. No,
Ikakano na ba?
Oo.
Do you wanna
I mean,
use it? Or Python?
Sige lang,
Python na lang, Python na lang.
Sige. Kasi nag-reject lang sa amin eh. Wait lang ha. This is gonna be a very, very tricky one. Not gonna lie.
It's okay, it's okay.
Wait.
Oh, no!
Don't worry. No, don't worry. Okay, akit mo na
Go down
dyan.
ka muna dito.
Okay, thanks. Okay, I
Ikaw,
use my
don't
stamina. I use my stamina.
don't YOLO this jump, bro.
Okay, I'm grab muna. Wait lang. Hold on.
Go lang, go lang.
Okay, I'm going. Medyo, it will use stamina rin. Pero I'm spamming. I'm spamming. I'm spamming, bro. I'm spamming. Oh my god. Oh god. Not even spamming will work. Are you joking?
Bro,
never
I'm
mind.
pushing you, I'm pushing you. I pushed you, I pushed you.
Nice,
Pero
nice,
nagamit
nice.
lahat ng energy ko dun.
Same.
Like-
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
It's okay.
Okay, I see the smoke. I see the smoke.
Ayun, ako din. Oh my
Di-
god.
Dito namatay si
Pero
Casey.
nagamit lahat ng stamina natin.
This is where Casey died. We
Bro, all our extra stamina.
don't worry. Mare-recover natin yan soon.
Ay, wait, charot, may food pala ako. I forgot about this stuff.
Okay, let me get this statue. Fairy lantern?
Ay, ang tanga ko. Dapat pala niluto ko muna.
Uy, may lantern tayo. What's this?
Oh, it heals you. That thing heals you.
Oh god, there's a lot of them. Oh no, it's already starting.
Already?
Yeah, the blizzard. Okay, it's gone na. Oh, never mind. Jesus.
Fuck it, we ball.
Oh god, already. Sige na. Use the lantern.
I'm using it, I'm using it.
Oh no.
Oh, I slipped on a geyser.
Don't worry. Okay.
You're heating up.
Yeah, I'm heating up. Things. Oh god,
Oh, the
I think
geyser
it's-
ulit!
No.
Oh, daming geyser!
Oh no. No.
It
God.
doesn't really kill you though. It's just annoying.
Okay.
My Python kasi you have to be... Ah, okay. Hindi naman pala kailangan.
May isa pang python here.
They break really easily though.
I know.
You have to be
And
quick upon using them. Oh,
And
are you standing dito? I'm gonna go to the standing area.
Wait.
Slipping. I'm
Did you-
slipping.
you're slipping?
You good?
Yep.
My geyser dyan
Okay.
ah.
Wait.
I have a
catch me up.
Python. Do you wanna use it na dito?
Yep. You can use it. We're not.
I don't know how to use it. Kunin mo na lang.
Okay, wait lang. Nahulog ako eh. God, let me go. Let this shibal. Oh.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Okay, I'll use this.
Mm-mm.
Oh. Huh? Saan? Oh god. You know, no.
Oh,
Wait
oh,
lang. I'm gonna put this on your bag first.
Okay,
Puno
put
pala
it in
yung
the
aking
bag.
ano. Puno pala yung stuff ko. Wait lang. Kainin ko na ngayon ano? Yung trail mix. Sorry again. I have to. Okay.
Did you get the Python?
Okay, so ano I'm gonna use all of my stamina until I get to the point here. Okay.
Hopefully may standing dyan.
I see a broken one. Oh, okay, may maliit na ano.
May standing.
May maliit na ano. May maliit na standing dito, pero wait lang ah. Okay, I'm gonna go muna. I hope there's next. God, I hope there's next. Oh no, there's a... Oh, muntikan na ako.
Oh my god,
Okay,
need
there's-
to regen my stamina.
Sige. Okay,
Oh, that used
meron
up my
dito.
energy.
Meron dito ha. Pero, that geyser almost killed.
Bro, reach up for me. Wala na akong
I'm
energy.
trying, bro. Oh, no! God. Okay, oh, clutch. Holy clutch. Oh!
Oh!
Oh
I'm
no!
dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh,
I'm dead.
no.
Oh god, I'm so far. Sayang yung items ko though. At least
Sorry.
ako yung Python. I only had like 2 medkits.
I'm sorry again.
It's okay. I only had 2 medkits and 2
This
stuff.
was too slippery kasi... Pero
Wala na
ano?
akong energy.
Oh no, I
Like
think this
super
is what... Oh no, it fell me off. This geyser, bro! The geyser! The
Why
geyser
are you
is...
alive?
What?
You can keep going till you die.
Well, oh!
Keep going, bro. It's okay.
Fine, sige. Okay. Yep, I'm dead.
Okay na ba?
Bro, those are my coconuts. No.
No! Oh my god,
I
you're
was going
burned!
for them kanina pa before I
This is why
died.
your cat is low.
Nah. Shibao. This is my coconut.
Get your own coconuts.
Nah, Shibao.
Shibao.
Shibao, bro.
You Shibao.
Nah. I'm coming for your coconuts, bro.
Oh no! What are you doing?
I'm getting it, bro.
Hey!
I get it, bro.
Right! Bro! I
got
hope you
it.
die.
You know what? I'm gonna try open this ancient luggage. I don't care.
Are you sure? Bro, it's
May
gonna
ano eh.
damage you.
Nah, may bandage kasi.
Kampota.
Oh, okay, nice. The Bugle of Friendship.
The
Nice.
Bugle Friendship. That one, like, is it like one use lang? I'm not sure if it's one use. I'm pretty
It's
sure
many
it
use.
boosts our stamina.
It's
Infinite?
many use. Not infinite, pero parang, parang katulad ng lantern. May
It
some
boosts
amount.
all of our stamina, so it's a good way.
This?
Parang sa kabila na lang.
Maybe this.
Kabila na lang. There's a lot of climbing.
First jump na lang. First jump!
Okay, kaya. Kaya naman.
What was
Kaya.
it?
I got you. Got you, bro.
Hell yeah.
Medyo avoid lang sa the big
Spike.
spike.
Okay.
Okay, kaya. Basta tiwala lang. We're goated. Holy moly. He is so goated. He
Oh
is
my
so
god,
goated.
gang. This is the fastest run ever.
I know,
I
right?
know. He is goated, bro.
Ano ito?
Ang mashimi mo, ways.
This place confuses me a lot.
Not for real.
This way? May daan dun?
Sige, let's try it.
Sige. Try natin.
Let's fuck around and find out. Uwa.
Yeah.
Uwa. Wait lang ah. Rest muna ako.
Wag.
Iwan ka na namin.
Na, Shibao. Shibao! Shibao! Inumin nyo na tong sports drink. Drink this, bro.
I don't want this sports drink.
Wait,
Ay, wait. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
hold on. The bomb.
Ha? Okay, have this, bro.
Hell yeah!
Bakit kayo dito din?
This?
Although, I'm not sure if may daan.
Nah, let's try again.
I can't see.
Hold on, I have to shimmy this, bro.
Wait lang. Help me again. Help me. Oh. No, this is tricky. Where the fuck did we go? Where should we go?
I went under.
Oh, okay.
Okay, kaya naman.
Help me again.
Nah, bro.
Shibao, I
You're on
gave
your
you...
own, kid.
Shibao, bro, I gave you sports drink.
Used up my energy.
Oh, hell no. Let me try
Nah,
the...
bro.
Let me try the bugle, bro. Let's try this.
Oh! It's infinite
Oh my
stamina for like a bit.
Infinite?
Oh, again.
For a bit? Nice. Help me, gang.
Oh, okay, see?
Ooh.
Oh my god, most of my stamina, bro.
Okay. I think tatlong use
I
yung
love it.
yung bugle.
Tatlong uses.
Oo.
Okay, we only use that in desperate situations. It's like so quick. It just gives like 3 seconds of infinite stamina.
Oh, okay. That's for you lang, guys. But not for me. Okay, maybe
Parang
pwede
kaya ata
dito.
tong puno. Oh, pero
Maybe,
dyan sa
maybe
bench
dito.
na yan.
Dito sa taas. You can try.
Yeah.
Mauna ako. YOLO. Okay, kaya.
It's raining, bro.
Nah,
It's
safe.
okay.
It's safe, bro. Okay, nice. Saan
We're
kayo?
broken food.
Oh, saan kayo? Oh, dyan. Guys, can you catch me up?
There's a
Ah,
standing
Pinili
area.
na ako.
Ano? I'm gonna risk it. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, God. Reach me, gang. I don't wanna fall. Thanks.
Oh god, wait lang.
Oh no.
Oh,
Ay! God, I didn't know that would take ano.
damn, bro.
Kalahati na ng stamina ko.
Oh,
Why? Ow!
Ang dalas ako trying to reach you.
wait lang. Ako na lang. Ako.
It's okay.
Let me try, though. May
I-rope
rope
mo
ako.
naman.
Ano, magro-rope ako. Wait lang. Magro-rope ako. Okay, wait lang. I'm a rope, ha. Reach naman to, na. Yung rope.
Ayun.
Okay, nice.
Thanks, Gary.
Let me see anong meron dito sa other side.
Oh, it's
Okay,
the
that's a
border.
border. Sabay pa tayo.
The border na yun.
Damn, I'm hungry. Not gonna...
There are bananas.
Okay. Can someone reach for the banana?
No, it's very far. We have to climb.
Ano, kaya nyo yun? O magro-rope pa ako? O,
Courage, gang. Kaya
I
siya.
can reach one.
Oh,
Reach for those.
Wait.
Oh, sorry. Reach for the banana, bro. The banana.
abot ata yan. Oh, may mushroom. What is it?
Nah, that's poisonous.
Button.
Okay, go
Is
ahead.
this... I don't trust the red banana. I don't know.
So it's safe.
It's safe, we promise. We have eaten this before. I have eat.
Wait lang. Ay, dito may daan, no? Hindi ba?
Okay, nahulog ako.
Okay.
Ito, nakakain ka na ba?
No, not this way. Hindi ka dito.
Oh, oh god,
Ay,
nahulog yung isa.
nga. Oh,
No, that's good. Yeah.
Nahulog yung isa eh.
It's fine. Yeah, we're good.
I'm gonna throw this. Ayun,
I'm
nakita
coming
ko na.
this way, gang.
Ito gang ah. Here's your banana. I can't reach you though, kasi I used all my stuff. Wait lang, may naman.
Where's my bag?
Oh god, ba't ko tinapon? Wait lang. Okay, here.
Ano ba yun? What the
God,
hell?
It used my extra energy.
No!
Oh shit. Oh, bye, gang.
Na...
Bye,
Oh.
gang.
Oh.
Oh bro.
Oh,
Oh
it's
god.
Definitely not there.
I only had like a rope cannon and a medkit on me.
Oh
And now
na.
Oh yeah, that's where I died.
Dito?
Oh, my things. You can take my things.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, bro.
Dapat pala hindi ko muna... dapat hindi muna ako nag-give up. Lapit niyo lang pala. Akala ko malayo.
Na may medkit pa naman ako.
My bad, gang. Meron din ako eh.
Damn. And let's see sana yung fog. Oh, I can see the fog and it's approaching fast.
Bilisan niyo na.
Oh no, it's approaching fast. No, let's go.
This
Damn.
is full of thorns. That's annoying.
I think I know. Let's go
Go
here
back
sa
to the
gitna.
platform with the vines.
I think sa gitna. I think we have to go sa middle. Maybe not sa gilid. Oh god.
No. Go back dun sa doon sa may vines.
Sa vines? Where
Dun
the
sa
vines?
kukuha niyo ng banana.
May naka-attach ba itong lupa?
You can like attach a rope cannon on it.
Okay,
May
sige,
nakita
sige.
akong standing area eh.
Sige.
You can use the bugle if wala talaga.
Sige.
Go, Casey, go!
Ano?
Oh,
Kaya?
saglit lang. What the hell?
Galing.
Ayan, okay na.
Okay, reach me, bro. You're my hope, gang.
Hell no, gang. Don't do that.
Ayan, if you attach the
Oh.
rope cannon dyan sa may ledge na yan.
Which ledge? Ito? This? Okay, I'll try
Abot ba yan?
Let's see. Oh my god, the fog is coming.
Okay, I think abot na.
This is some Undertale shit, bro. Oh god. Reach me, bro. Oh god, I fell. Gang.
Just spam.
I'm spamming as hard as I can. No.
Nope. Oh my god.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Oh my god!
That
You're
spamming
dead
did
too?
He's dead too!
Gang.
What?
Huh?
I'm dead too.
Tropics lang to. How did we die sa tropics? Why are we suddenly on hard mode?
Gang.
Gang.
He is not my fault, bro.
But the game is taking 3 for a pro.
Shibo.
Is it the only luggage? Ay, hindi meron doon. Akala ko may luggage dito. Wala
Oh.
pala. Ano?
Oh no, bro, you're hallucinating.
The hell?
Bro.
Kaya yan?
Mushroom! Mushroom! Faster, these are good.
Let me take this. Is there other way here? Kaya ba?
Alam ko naman nakita kong luggage.
Feeling ko kaya.
Ow!
Oh, God.
The mushroom poisons you.
Oh god.
Cluster
Bro,
is
I
bad.
trusted you.
Cluster
But-
is bad.
Bro,
Akala ko
I
yung shuffle lang yung bad.
bro, I trusted you for this.
Wow, I didn't know.
Did you eat it too?
I ate it too.
He ate it too.
I trusted you. Wait, let's check muna first. What are the viable ways na pwede dito? Oh, almost pwede.
Oh my god,
Almost.
catch him.
Oh god, but good thing meron pa akong bandage. Pero may kaya yung area. Sa area na medyo kaya, pero gutom lang. Just medyo. Oh,
I
god.
get,
What fucking island is this, bro? Oh, okay. Gotcha.
okay.
Kaya.
Help me, help me.
Okay, I'm trying.
Dito ka sa, sa area ko pumunta. Mas mababa to.
Dito. Here again.
Nice.
Now
Bro.
what?
Walang daan.
Meron dito pero that's a little trickier. Little...
To shimmy across the earth.
Yeah, fuck.
Ang ina.
Oh, I can shimmy ng onte. Oh, nice. I can't damage. It doesn't damage.
Oh,
It's a little tricky pero yeah.
I'm hungry as fuck, bro.
Wait lang, let me try this way. Check ko lang. Let me check. Let me check on this area.
Oh no. Oh shit.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Can't do it.
Ano? I'm gonna try shimmy A. Okay, may little standing ground dito. There's a little standing ground. Wait lang ah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yun.
Ako napunta.
Dito. Shimmy A here, dito, sa gilid.
Oh my god, I don't think I can do that, bro.
No, not there, not there. Shimmy you're here, bro.
Dito ako napunta eh.
Oh, damn, okay.
Dito kami napunta.
Okay lang yan. It's
Ano
okay lang
bakit
yan.
dito?
Okay, kaya naman dito eh. Oh, malapit tayo. We're on the thingy.
This took longer.
I know. I can see the
How do we
vision.
get there? The problem.
Maybe the vine?
Maybe.
This tree?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This way. The tree.
Parang ang layo. Wait, parang ang layo.
Yung puno? Na... You know. Jump. Kaya naman.
Ah, okay. And then,
Meron ba?
nakita ko kanina yung daan eh. Saan yun? I don't know.
Loki for gore.
Loki for gore. Yeah.
Kaya. Oh,
There's a
wait.
resting area here.
Oh, nice.
This isn't the good. This isn't.
Wait lang, sorry.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. Oh no. Okay,
Bro.
noted.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
It's okay,
No.
konting damage lang.
Oh no. Okay,
wait.
that took most of my. I have no energy left.
Oh god. Yep, there's no way there.
Okay, I guess we have to go this way.
Uh-huh.
How?
Oh, bakit?
Ano? Oh,
Oh,
it's very,
very tight. Oh my god, we're doing limbo. Okay ka dyan, Casey.
Hold on.
Okay, okay. I can't reach
Look
you.
at my legs.
You're doing limbo. God, I hate this mountain. I mean, it's not as worse as the first one
true.
in a
We have
technical sense.
experience now.
Uh-huh. That fuck ass shore.
We're kind of low on supplies pa rin though.
Oh no, now they're starting.
Oh my bomb dito.
Yeah.
Oh shit,
I can see the fish.
directly above.
I wanna
Fine.
use my anti-rope at ginawa.
Oh, I can't do it. Oh, shit.
Dito may dito may onting resting place. Sa little thing here. I'm gonna reach you guys. Here. Okay.
Okay. Ano?
This fuck ass mountain.
Now we're making good progress.
Okay, I can see the luggage there. Way out.
Ano?
Okay, medyo
Baka may
risk.
daan dyan sa...
Yep. There's a lot of bombs.
I don't know where to go.
Oh, Band-Aid sports drink. Okay, do we go up front?
Oh! Wait lang.
Ano?
I think I have a vision.
You have a vision?
Here?
Ah, this is the edge na rin. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Wait lang. I see luggage, wait lang. Wait a minute.
Bro, keep going for the luggage.
My bad, gang. I'm too greedy.
Ah, food!
Finally,
Oh,
bro.
I need to.
Something edible.
Am I luggage, Joe? Rifle.
Son?
There's a
Oh.
bomb also.
Yeah,
May
I saw
bomb.
it then.
Oh, God. Gang, I
Okay.
see the peak.
Oh, nice! May piton. Okay. I'm taking this.
Oh my god, what the fuck is this luggage?
What the hell? No,
What the
bro, no
fuck?
one's reading that, bro.
Bakit?
Who the fuck is insane enough to put it there?
Let me, reach me, bro. Okay.
Eh, kaya mo din. Yan o, tamo na rin ko.
let
Look
me
at that
get this.
luggage.
I know. I'm not doing that.
Fucking shit.
I may be,
Yeah, bro.
I
Bro,
may,
bro, just right.
I may be greedy, but I'm not doing that.
Bro, let's go.
I think the fine. I think I tried it before.
Oh. Oh no, there's a tick.
That was
I think I'm being...
Ah, may bomba ha. May
Guys, I've been
Let
bitten
me
by a
remove it.
tick. Can you remove it, guys? It's on my leg. Here.
It's on your neck?
Hey?
Please remove it, gang.
Where? I can't see it.
Below me, my feet. Can you see my feet?
What the fuck?
Please, bro, remove this. I'm gonna
I've never
eat
seen a
it?
tick before.
remove
I
it.
can eat
gang.
it.
Why would you eat it?
But why?
Oh god. I'm gonna throw it.
Ew, I hate it.
Oh, hell no.
I didn't know that's a thing. I thought you were joking earlier.
Oh,
I thought that was modded. Oh,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
raining, it's raining. It's
Oh,
raining,
no.
it's raining.
oh no. Oh wait,
Parang feeling.
may puno eh. I can see that there's a tree here. No, maybe, just maybe. Maybe
Oh,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
over here.
Oh my gosh.
Now,
Now we just ball it?
uh,
Please don't rain.
Oh god. Oh god.
Is this
Oh
slippery?
god.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh,
Wait.
Oh god.
Wait, I'm spamming, I'm spamming, I'm spamming!
I'm spamming too. Oh hell no. Nah, I'm not. That's not. You know?
I got damaged a bit.
Wait! No! Oh god, I died!
Huh?
No way.
What do you mean died? Where you are?
I am.
Wait, nandyan ka.
We can revive you.
below.
We can revive
Wait
you.
lang. Wait.
Do you have medkit? My medkit series. Malapit
I
lang
think
naman.
so. Meron ako. Okay. I can heal you, bro. Here. Here, gang.
Yay.
Get your stuff, gang. Ano, unless,
Or, like,
show me the
looking
vision.
from here. Look.
Okay, sige. Oh, okay, sige. I can see your vision. So, let's jump.
Go safely down.
Okay, sige. Let's go. Baka yung fog eh. Oh!
Nah.
I'm sorry. What the hell? I did not see that.
It's okay. Poison is temporary.
Oh god, that caught me off guard.
Medicinal root. I need it so bad.
Damn, finally.
This was easier than the first island, Loki. Damn stupid volcanic ash shore.
It's my podcast of an island.
What now?
Yeah, again.
Can you like make that?
No, not this one, cause like that's damaging.
Yung ito?
Wait lang. I just looked away.
Sa likod mo. I'm behind you, bro. I
This
heard-
one's a little tough. Pero kaya siya.
Okay. I can reach you,
Hindi
Casey.
na lang si Casey.
I can reach you, bro. Oh, free game. Ano yung mukhang flower? Yung sa gilid ng ice.
I don't know. I don't trust it though.
I read. Okay, I thought it was the
Oh god.
thing you guys keep
Stamina.
talking about.
Holy stamina,
man.
bro. I'm sliding.
Oh
Oh
no!
man.
Oh god, I saw you. Okay ka lang?
Oh man.
Yeah, no damage.
May python dito.
Whoa. Okay. Wait lang.
Asan ka, Ashi? Did you
Um,
go? What the fuck?
Oh god. No,
What the hell? Why did you teleport me?
Oh god, you're in the
my
edge.
gang.
Oh no.
Oh god!
Not you too. Not you too.
What the hell? Nawala yung python na yun.
Oh no. Did I
Oh
have
god,
any
I
foot- Oh, I had a chain cannon.
Oh god,
I had
saw
a
you
lot.
guys.
Bruh!
I saw you again. Wait lang.
Si Casey muna.
Si Casey.
Although I don't know where I dropped.
Oh, we dropped at the same location.
Oh, wait, I saw you. Oh. I
Si
don't...
Casey muna.
How do I... Meron kayong...
Yun na may medkit.
I have the
I had a
medkit.
medkit.
May medkit ka? Okay, may medkit si Ashy. I'll take this. I'm gonna heal you again. Okay. Wait lang ha.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam if
Go
bandage
lang,
will
go lang.
work.
May time pa. It will.
Okay, sige. Here.
Oh god, I'm practically dead.
No, wait, may medicinal fungus.
Oh really?
Nice.
Wait,
Oh,
may
here,
luggage
come here,
din
bro.
dito.
Come here, bro. I'm gonna use this.
Yung gamit mo, Ashi.
Ew.
Oh, ang daming ano.
I thought you farted, bro.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
ang daming
afford it,
stuff
bro.
Yung gamit mo, bro.
na shiba.
That saved me a bit.
Okay, I'll take this. Ang daming luggage.
Oh, this is tough.
Oh.
I used up all my stamina.
Oh god.
No. Oh god. Meron ako na to. Meron pa ko.
I need a bandage. Yeah.
Damn. I have... Ginamit ko rin yung bandage.
Eh, wala na pala. Wala na pala akong food. What the fuck?
Ano, mag-rope ako ha.
Okay.
Sige, kung
May
kaya
bandage ka?
na ginamit ko na kay Ashy eh.
Oh, I don't know about that, bro. Wait lang.
Kaya?
Okay.
Okay, nice. Let me see.
I don't know if
Here.
ito or that way.
This way or... Ano yung option? What's the other option?
Ito.
Itong bridge?
It would
na
climb.
mukhang bridge?
Oo.
Sige. You can check it first. If
Oh
kaya.
god, hindi siya kaya ng stamina ko. Hindi siya kaya.
Guys,
Ay wait, kaya pala. May resting
I only
area
have a
ditong maliit.
quarter. I only have a quarter of stamina.
Gutom ka?
Same. It's alright.
You
Yeah.
hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Oh shit.
Thanks.
Oh god.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh.
I have enough rope. Wait lang, I have enough stamina for this.
Wait lang. I'm for sure gonna die, so... Rayfu, please take my rope can. Oh, I have food! I just realized. Anyway.
Oh, may pitong dito.
Please
Broken
take
one.
this chain launcher.
Kay Casey na lang.
Bring it back, guys.
Here.
More.
Here?
More.
Okay na,
This?
okay na.
Okay na to?
Okay.
Okay. Eto?
Yeah.
Okay, this is 6 meters, by the way.
It's okay, I have rope then.
Sige. Fuck, it's cheating.
May luggage dun.
Yeah,
It's worth it.
and it's almost up too.
Nah, bro.
This way again? Kaya ba to? Hindi siya kaya ng stamina ko, pero kaya siya.
And try ko. Try ko lang fuck around and find out.
Go sa pinaka-corner. Baka may resting area dyan.
Okay, may resting corner din. May resting stuff here. Okay, medyo may climbable din. May ito pwede kang makastand dito. I'm arrange you guys.
Thank you.
Here.
Tampa.
Wait lang Ken. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk this.
Okay. You okay?
Yup. Pero wait lang. Hold on. But first, I'm hungry. I need something to eat.
Oh shit.
Kaya ba? At ano, Casey?
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Nice, nice.
Ano,
nice.
gamitin mo lang yung feedback mo. I had to use a feedback.
Oh,
Oh shit,
that's
I might be
going.
dead.
That's.
I might be dead.
Whoa, whoa!
Ah!
I missed it. Oh my god. Hi, I pressed E, bro. I swear to God.
Oh, goodbye, gang.
Hell
What the
no.
fuck?
I
Wait lang.
pressed
Oh,
E.
I'm alive. Oh.
Oh my god, I pressed E. I swear to God. This is.
Ayoko siya kasi my stamina is too low for this ship.
There's still cold stuff, bro.
Gang, I pressed E.
Wait lang, nauna na ako ah.
Sige. Oh god.
Because y'all are pretty much dead.
Yeah, una ka na.
You gotta do it for the team, bro. Oh. Oh god. Oh god, not this.
Sleeping is like temporary.
Well,
There's a path behind you if
what?
like there. There's a path there.
Nah, I'm falling, bro. I'm dead.
That's very
Okay,
sweet.
bro. Although
Oh,
nasa,
God.
ang dami mong good items, bro, that binigay mo kay Casey.
Nah, sorry again.
What? What's
I'm
my
dead, bro.
vision? Okay.
You gotta reach that, no? You need to reach it. Yung the thingy.
Bro, Rayfo, mag-ano ka na, mag-commit ka na. E.
No, I'm dead. Oh, okay.
E quickly, kasi baka attacking to Casey.
Oh, here, I'm
He
dead.
said her vision was being affected daw kasi that's the first sign.
Oh. Damn.
Oh my god.
Nice, 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 nice. Bro's doing it for the team.
Na-carry tayo, na-carry.
Holy
Kasi sayang
carrying.
talaga
Bro.
yung supplies mo na yun. Oh my gosh.
My
We
bad
had a lot
gang.
of good supplies.
My bad gang. Yung stamina talaga, yung fuck-ass stamina.
So what's the best way to go? Right or left?
Oh, oh, okay.
I think we have more chance, right?
Yeah, I think
The
mas ano yung right for now. May luggage din sa right.
Ano naman ito? Tarik.
What the hell?
This island, bro, I swear to God.
Remember na, may high tide, low tide yung volcano, yung lava.
Eh?
So,
Yeah, that's why I died. Nun.
high
Bro
tide,
doesn't
low
know.
tide. It sometimes goes... Oh shit. I got damaged.
Oh, oh.
Sprint jump, gang.
Magkakasal tayo neto. Lamig na si Ian.
See. Baka di ka matrangkaso dito.
For real, bro.
Can someone get those, get that luggage?
Pala niluto ko yung lollipop.
Kaya ba ito ng sprint jump? Kaya
Wait
kasi
lang.
we're gonna burn a bit.
Is it
Yeah, okay,
high
I'm gonna
tide?
take that risk.
Is it high tide
It's low
ng...
tide, I think.
Oh, okay, nag-low tide na yung lava. Now it's the low tide. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Catch me, bro. Catch me, catch me, catch me, catch me.
Okay.
Game.
Okay na yun? Kaya mo naman?
Nah, bro. I'ma die if you
Are we
let
gonna
me,
get
bro.
that luggage?
Yeah, we're low. We're really low.
Okay. Ito na pala.
Saan yung luggage?
Nandyan.
Ito.
Medpack.
And
And
medkit at saka sports ring.
Nice.
sino nga, yung kulang
yeah,
ng...
I'm
I'm good.
sports
I'm
ring.
good with my stamina.
I'ma take this. Yung first aid.
Okay.
Uy, okay.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Let's go, gang.
Okay, we gotta go because the hunger too.
Yeah. Hunger ang kalaban natin dito sa area na to.
I
For real,
hate
bro. There are no trees.
yung I hope there's food in hell.
Sprint jump, gang.
Alright. Wait lang ah. Buelo muna ako. Wait. Good. Oh. Bro.
Bro, my screen lagged for a second.
Oh, my, this is flaming
Oh yeah,
hot.
it's erupting. It's erupting, bro.
It's gonna burn.
There should be a cold pack, bro.
For real, for real. Wait lang, I'ma wait that first because that's burning.
Oh!
Ah,
Oh hell no. Oh, why did
oh my
you
god, looks like pabalik si Rito.
why did it bring me back?
Oh shit,
Help me, bro.
Asan ka, Rebo?
kulang ako ng
Here.
sprint jump.
Oh wait, nag-rise up
Oh
yung
hell
lava.
na.
It's high tide.
Wala tayong
Excited.
chain launcher, right?
Yeah, wala na. I used it.
Wait lang.
fuck.
It's high tide. It's high tide.
Guys, walang daan dito.
Push
No, wait.
pinball again.
Now, bro,
Actually,
I think
We can sprint it. I think we can
Low
sprint
tide,
it.
low tide na, low tide.
Oh, low tide. It's low tide. Wait lang. I'm waiting to cool down for the... Okay. Cool down ng
God.
naonte. Whoa.
Ay, gago.
Guys, I sprinted it. Sprint nyo na habang low tide pa.
Whoa. Oh god. The fuck has stamina.
May luggage dito, right? Nakita ko siya kanina.
Help. Thanks.
Where the fuck is that luggage? Nandito siya kanina.
Maybe
No,
forward.
bro. Film making you hallucinate.
No. Ayun, I see it.
Oh, yun. Dyan na. Dyan na. Gilid.
I open it.
I hope there's food.
Food.
Or train launcher. Nice.
Can I
Chain
eat it?
launcher? Like action?
Ano?
Do this. Ano?
Ang chain
Ang
launcher.
what?
Can I drink this, sports drink?
Go lang.
Go.
Sige.
You
I'll
don't
drink
have
it.
food anymore, right?
May granola bar akong dala.
Oh, please feed me. Oh my god.
Okay, here.
Wait, where's the
Thank you so
temple?
much.
Yung
I
smoke.
know.
Here.
Where the smoke is, that one.
Oh my god, it's fallen. Like,
I know, gang.
Here?
Whoa. Thanks.
I went around.
You shimmy? Did you shimmy?
And yeah, I shimmied.
Okay.
Saan maganda dumaan?
I think there to there.
Kaya ba natin yan? Ang layo na. Ah,
Yun, nasa baba natin.
we're gonna take a bit of damage.
Na just
I think-
lang,
hindi pa
hold lang. Hold it.
Baba dito.
Hold it. Hold it. Wait lang, wait natin mag low tide. It's still,
Oh.
high tide pa. Nag-high tide pa yung lava. I'm waiting for the low tide. Kaya mo? Oh, wait.
yeah.
Okay. Please low tide na.
Naglo-low
Okay,
tide na siya.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Ito ang only way natin, di ba?
Yep,
Wait,
Yep.
saan?
this way.
Yan.
Be
Okay.
careful. Okay, vuelo. Oh, ay. Oh, nice. I catch. Hold.
Sprint jump is
Okay.
key.
Holy
Holy clutch.
jump, bro.
Holy clutch, bro.
Game.
Nice. Thanks.
Sige.
Thanks.
Okay. Kaya pa yan.
Habang di pa nag-high tide.
Sige.
Ay, nag-high tide na.
Oh no.
Na.
Clutch.
I'm gonna wait
Burn
now.
lang.
Sige.
We don't have time to wait.
Wait lang I'm resting. Oh, clutch.
Okay.
Oh god. This place, bro. Oh wait, oh, Ashy. Okay, low tide na. Pa-low tide na siya.
Okay.
Whoa! Oh no, the other part is burning.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh my god!
I'll catch you, I'll catch you. Whoa, here. Damn. Oh no. Ah.
Oh god, that's about to burn.
Oh yeah. This hell, bro.
Gang! Gang!
We're
Oh
near?
my gosh.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Nice, nice, nice. And this is the
Nice.
safe ground. Ang safe pa to.
Y'all chose the best way. Oh my god, thank god we went right.
Oh, let's go. Okay.
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no!
No! No!
Oh shit!
You
I
go-
missed my sprint jump.
Oh no.
I missed my sprint jump. It's okay.
Okay, oh
we
god,
can, we can still
akala ko
revive you.
natuluyan ko na eh.
Sayang! I missed my sprint jump.
Ano,
Saan
nandiyan
ka?
ka pa?
It's okay, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Okay, we can revive
Oh,
you.
what?
We can revive you. Tara.
Damn, I
we
thought
can,
you were alive.
let's revive her. It's gonna be tough there.
I missed my sprint jump. That's so stupid.
Damn, you're close though.
Sayang yung item na makukuha sana natin.
And you were close too.
Ano makukuha dapat natin?
I don't know.
Yung mga special
Something
items.
random. Imagine, it's just Pandora's launch box. That would be so bad.
Saan ka? Saan ka?
Dito. Damn, this is quite the climb.
Bro. Wait lang. Let me rest.
Faster!
Shibao, bro. Wait, bro. Okay.
Kapag naman si Casey, huy, si Casey! Hindi mo
Sorry,
na-
bro.
No! Ano ba yan? Di naghihintay.
Hindi naghihintay ako. I was just looking around.
Ayun.
Wait lang Let's open the
Revive
luggage first. Okay, sige. I'ma open yung luggage.
Thank you.
There's chain cannon.
There's a sports
two.
drink here.
There's 2 chain cannon.
Nice.
Advantage.
Update mo ba? Sino
Advantage.
may gusto ng sports drink?
I'll take one.
Inuwin ko to. I wanted to cook my chain launcher.
Wow, why?
But why would you do that?
Malay mo.
Just why, bro?
Kinakain mo ba chain launcher mo?
In, desperate times. We could probably cook the chick, bro.
Eh, ikaw yung type of person ng mga akit ng ng pen.
Damn, this is peak, bro.
TSP, bro.
Stop it. Does Casey know we have to go through another mountain?
Fuck no!
We have to go through another
This
mountain.
should have
Sorry,
been,
gang.
this should have been the ending, gang.
This is the final stretch, gang.
The hell?
No, we gotta go fast. The hunger though. The hunger too.
Yung chain launcher dapat hindi sa one person lang ha. Paghiwalayin nyo yun.
Nasa isa akin.
Wala
Isa sa akin.
Isa lang sa akin.
Isa lang sa akin.
Day 10? It's been 10 days?
Yup.
Yep.
Okay, let's plan first. Habang may di pa mababa yung hunger natin.
Kaya naman.
Eto,
Pwede rin dito. Parang paakyat siya eh.
eto, may pocket dito. I
Mas
can
may
see a
bridge
pocket
din dun
here.
sa taas. Sige, sige.
There's a
Okay,
pocket
gang,
dito.
let's go.
Tara, tara. Okay, so maybe let's start here.
Ay,
Oh,
Bro, oh my god, kinabahan ako sa'yo, gago ka.
I forgot
to
to sprint jump.
bro, don't forget that. Don't forget.
Ikaw pa nagsabi na we have to utilize that shit, bro.
I keep forgetting to press sprint, bro.
Dito.
May mga luggage pa rin ba dito?
Few.
Meron, pero kakunti.
Oh, like real.
Yeah.
That's a
Dito
rarity.
ba? Or hindi ba sa right tayo pupunta?
Akit muna tayo. You know, may
Luggage,
luggage.
luggage.
Oh,
There's
nice.
luggage. Bandage and portables
Damn.
too. Who's gonna carry
Wait.
that?
Ah! So like we can cook bandages and shit. Or like
Oh,
food.
who's
Ano
gonna-
pa
Put it in my
yun?
bag, bro. Put it in my bag.
Ikaw Wait lang. Wait lang, let me
Ay,
put.
wait.
Okay. Sige, okay lang.
Ang dami
Ay,
ng
punta sa
bandages
bag.
ni Casey.
Yun eh.
Uy, gagi ko, dapat may kumuha ng isa pang bandage
Wait,
para
I can...
lahat sa
I can
akin.
take the stove. I can take the stove.
I've
Looks kinda
making.
tough.
I've been.
Na, I
Making,
think it's
Rico!
I've been making
Rico,
glasses.
Rico!
For,
Oh my gosh.
I have been making glasses for 30 years.
Kasi paabot. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Catch me. Thanks.
Yung ako nga.
Shibao, bro. We need to win, gang. Ito dito. Here. Oh, what a limbo. Oh, bro, you're glitching out. You're glitching out.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm climbing up.
Yeah, this looks decent. This looks decent.
where
Kasi
next?
akyatan siya dito. And then, may bridge doon.
Wait, saan yung pointer mo? Where's the pointer?
Yeah, ito oh. May mga
Oh.
rocks pa din dito na pwede nating akyatan. And then, may bridge pa dito.
Oh, right.
Okay, we can cross here. Sa baba.
Sige. Let's try it. Oh, yeah.
I forgot to sprint jump again.
Oh my god!
Okay. Don't, please, remember
Thank you.
your step.
Remember your shift, bro.
Let me check. Oh, catch me again. Catch. Thanks. Okay, Casey, go. Go side. I'm trying to catch you. Here.
Yeah.
Beware na lang sa burning stuff area.
Yeah.
There's still burning part here.
Oh,
What's the
oh
next?
god, the music, what the hell?
I know.
We can climb.
From what I can see, dito tayo, we can climb here para sa bridge na to.
Okay.
If you can see.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can see.
Sige. Damn.
Sino
Okay,
muna?
let's go. Sige. Sino mo yan?
Wait
May
lang.
stamina.
Ayan.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh. Okay. Got you.
Bridge pa mi gang. Thank you.
Nice. Okay. Kaya?
Go guys. Kayo muna.
Ano, kaya? Oh. Easy. You look you fell in. Oh. Not me too. Ang taas niyan. This is high.
Di ba dito?
Yung.
Ang daan.
Oh,
Gang.
Ashi.
Oh my god.
We're catching.
I'm slipping.
Wait lang ah. We need safety net. Ito. There's a fucking safety net, bro.
Okay.
This shit saved me last time.
We can if wala talaga, we can use the chain launch. Or
Yeah.
we
We
can
need.
use the
Okay.
chain launcher.
Oh,
Casey.
let's chain launcher na.
Oh!
Not you too.
Ano ang galing?
Wait lang. Sige. I'll chain launch ha. Screw this.
Di-
I'll change.
Dito. Ay, okay.
Okay. I'm climbing up. Nice and easy, bro.
Thank you.
So where do we go?
It's tough, pero kaya dito, I think.
Yun
This?
nga lang. Ito yung problem. This is the problem.
Ito
Medyo-
kaya yan.
Sige.
I think kaya naman. There's like a little hole
Okay.
that we can rest.
Sige.
Saan yung daan?
There, here.
Oh
Is there
yeah.
a better way there?
There's no better way. There's a hole here, pero that's not gonna make that. Oh god.
Okay. Not good.
Not good.
Okay, not good.
Dito?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
clutch
have
me
like,
down.
ano naman, snack.
Oh.
I'm trying, bro.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I think I'm bending a lot.
Okay, wait lang. Ikot ako.
Ay, gago. Pag dito.
Pag dyan?
Oh, wag dyan.
Gago.
Wag dyan.
Wag dito! Why are you going here?
Sorry, bro. TS. So where do we go?
That's the only way we can go.
Oh no. Oh god. Slipping me off.
Wait lang. Balik ako dito sa baba.
Sige. Paglagyan na ako ng rope dito.
Oh god. Never mind, gang. Oh god.
Ano?
Oh no!
What? She fell?
My bad, gang. Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh no. Nandun yung chain launcher.
Oh
Kaya
no.
nga.
God. We're trapped here, Loki.
Pwede naman mag-rest dito ah.
Kaya mo, Ashi.
I'm trying.
Oh,
It's burning.
Oh.
Actually, you fell too.
It's okay, I didn't have any valuables.
Hi?
Oh,
Did
shit.
Ashi fell?
You fell too.
Yeah, I don't think that's a good way to go, Rachel.
Oh no. So where's the other way?
If you go back, parang may ano
Go
ka
back to where you were.
na. Yeah, go back to where you were. Actually, you know what I'm saying, right?
Do.
Oh no, I'm hungry too. I don't know.
I don't have any food either.
Ano ba? Dito?
Ayuan.
I don't know. Yeah. Pero I'm not sure lang if kaya.
Parang hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Oh,
Isa kaya, don't waste your energy on that. Don't waste your energy.
God. Oh. Damn,
There
this
has
is
to be another way
crazy.
to go. Wala ba talaga dun sa left side?
No. There's no other way there.
Alam mo may hole, diba?
Ha?
Sabi mo may hole?
May hole? Yeah, that
Oh,
that
Reiko,
hole
don't
leads
use
to...
energy.
Oh,
Reiko, what are you doing?
okay. Gang.
You're dead at this point.
No,
No,
bro,
no, no,
TSPMO. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna risk it.
No. Oh, for the luggage.
Oh, yeah, you're dead, bruh.
Oh, what?
No. Flame is temporary. Flame is temporary.
Please.
No, he's dead.
I'm above. Oh my god. Let me
Hey,
go.
Can you
Let me
flop
go.
flop away from the stone?
Nah, I'm not. I'm not moving. I can't move.
Oh fuck.
Oh hell.
You're too close to the stone.
I know. Damn,
God
we're so...
damn it.
This part though pissed me off.
Bro, can you not really not flop?
No, I can't. It keeps burning me. It'll keep doing it until I die.
Holy shit.
We were so close. Oh, maybe we...
Is that pig, bro?
I
Maybe
think
the
we,
peak was the friends we made all along.
I think we really have to go through the fire so we can go up there. Damn.
Baka nga dapat... Wait, may daan kung sakali dito tayo dumaan. I don't think so. Where the fuck were you supposed to go?